you want to niche down, right? And even if you're not able to niche down right now, that's fine. Maybe you don't see yourself as an authority or as an expert in anything. Forget about what the world thinks about you. First, you wanna ask yourself, do you see yourself like an expert in one thing? If you do, great. If you do, that's awesome. Then this simply means that you should start creating content in that niche. If you don't, no problem, just start sharing with the world whatever you know. It's as simple as that. You can also take inspiration from other creators that you love, like, right? So this is what you would do. Think of the top three creators, or even the top one creator that you absolutely love, consuming content from. Cool. See what kind of content do they create, and see if you can model that content. I'm not asking you to copy them. Just model what they're talking about in your own, in your own understanding. But write down the top three topics that you really know a lot about. Top three things that you're really passionate about, that you really love to read about, that you really love to watch. That you really love to consume information about. It could be anything. Create a list of these things. It could be the top authorities that you follow. It could be the top topics that you're passionate about, the top things that you love to know. It could be the top skills that you have. It could be anything. Whatever it is for you, whatever you feel you're good at, whatever you want to be good at, just write as much as you want. You're never going to be out of content. If you feel you're out of content, just see the top guys, what are they doing, the people that you love, and just start modeling their content in your own language, adding your own personality to it. That's the easiest way to start anything. Trust me, to start a business and to start anything. And Instagram itself is also a huge business, right? If you approach it in the right way. Like the biggest Instagrammers right now, they make so much money from Instagram, right? Like if you go through what Kylie Jenner's profile, Dwayne Johnson, what they charge multi-million dollars for a post, that's big, right? But anyway, so the very first thing is that you want to niche down. If you cannot niche down, just go generic, and don't waste time in asking yourself this question of how do I niche down. Forget it. If you're good at something, great, pick it up, and start creating content about that. If not, the easiest way is to start posting content about everything that you want to talk about without stopping yourself. All right. And of course, the bio, having a good bio, having a professional profile photo which goes with your niche or with the kind of content you're creating, that's it. That's what you want to do, from a good bio to a good photo, and of course using the right hashtags. Right now, I can talk a lot about these things, but these are like the basics. And if you just do a simple Google search on how to write a good Instagram bio, or just model the bio of someone else, model the bio of someone who's very close to the kind of profile you want to build or the kind of content you want to create, model them, or just Google it up, right? Or have a professional profile photo, cool. And when it comes to using the right hashtags, when it comes to creating content, there are so many tutorials about that. Although like these things are not really going to matter a lot when it comes to succeeding with Instagram. Cool, of course you should be doing it, it's very important, but like this is the very core basic. The main thing is going to be content.